Wow, a whole year, 2018, and I can't think of a single thing good about it. I can think of 5. Welcome back to the Scale Builders Guild. Thanks again for watching. It's the end of 2018, and if you've made it this far, it's been an incredible year here at the Scale Builders Guild. I can't thank all of you enough for following, liking, subscribing, watching, commenting, all of the great things you do to help make this channel what it has become in this year. It's been a great success. I've had an amazing time, and I thank you again. With that, let's reflect on what's happened this year, and I'm going to present to you my top 5 releases of 2018 in the Scale RC market. I hate using that word scale like that, but it's in the name of our website and social stuff, so Scale Stuff. 2018 top 5 things from the Scale RC market that came out this year. In no particular order, or should we do it in an order? I'll tell you what, I'm going to do this video, and you tell me if you think that I've put them in some sort of significant order. Put your guess in the comments below. Coming in at number 5 from Spectrum Radios, the DX5 Rugged. And yes, it's been released, it's out in the wild, people are getting them, so this late release in 2018 does make the list. I'm really looking forward to getting this radio. I feel that they've really taken the scale builder and the crawler market seriously with this radio by making it water resistant, adding a lot of bumpers to the outside edges so you can presumably drop it and not suffer any damage. They've also got a compartment on the back of the radio where you can put some tools and some accessories that you may need to have as repair items on the trail, so that's excellent. I really am keen to see how water resistant the radio is, and I know that part of that is, of course, testing that. So we're going to find out how durable that radio is in an upcoming episode, probably in the new year, but I'm very much looking forward to that. So that is number 5, the DX5 Rugged from Spectrum RC. How was I doing that? Was that number 5 or was that number 1? Number 4 on my list, the Axial SCX10 2 Raw Builders Kit. Obviously this was going to make the list as it offers so much more potential for the average scale builder. Not only that, it's great value, and it gets you started with an Axial SCX10 2 in its rawest form, giving you so many possibilities down the road. Definitely one of my favorites from this year, and I'm glad to have been able to include it in this list. Some honorable mentions who didn't make the top 5, but yet released amazing products this year. Proline Racing with their Predator compounds. I think they've got some great tires in that compound. They've also got that new KM3 in the Predator compound in a 4.19 tire size, which is pretty amazing. I've actually got one here. Some of these are pretty spectacular for a little tire. They are amazing. Nice compound, nice looking tire, and just the right height for all your tiny truck builds. Also, the Axial SCX10 2 Blazer RTR. I think that definitely should be in the honorable mentions. It didn't make the top 5 because there were so many other great releases this year, but definitely an awesome RTR. Great looking body, great that it's oversized and you can actually tuck those tires up into the wheel wells. I think it's a fantastic release. Number 3 for me, and this may be controversial to some, is the Traxxas UDR Ultimate Desert Racer. I absolutely love this truck. It's fast, it's scary on 6S, and it will do some amazing things. It's super durable, it's built for speed, but the kicker for me, it was built for looks as well. Definitely one of the finer looking short course or desert racer, whatever you want to call it, Baja trucks. It's got all the engineering that Traxxas is well known for. It's super durable. I haven't broken anything, and I've done some very questionable things with it. Not that questionable, but questionable nonetheless. It's just a great all-around basher truck. It's super fun, and why it fits into this top 5 is that it is very scale. They've got a lot of scale details built into that truck, from all of the accessories that they include on the back, the way it looks, the way it performs. I think it's absolutely one of the best releases of this year. Number 2 on my list, and again, is this in any particular order? I'm not really sure. It's just a list that I compiled. Maybe it is in an order, maybe it isn't. The JS Scale Range Rover Classic Hardbody. Now, a lot of you are saying, well, what's the deal with that? I've never even heard of a Range Rover Classic. Well, you're probably too young. This is a very old truck. It came out in the 70s? Late 70s. Wow. And it's a looker. It's honestly one of my most favorite trucks of all time. I think it's got a timeless look, classic design. Oh, it's a Range Rover Classic. It should have a classic design. This hardbody is very nicely detailed. Lots of great features. Opening doors, opening hood, or bonnet, opening bonnet, opening boot. In Britain, it's called a boot. I highly suggest that you pick one up if you have any interest in British four-wheel drives. It's a very cool truck, and it's big. It's an 8th scale body. Richard has done all the measuring for me because I am lazy. Range Rover Classic Body from JS Scale, number 2 on my list of top 5 Scale RC related releases in 2018. And finally, we come to number 1 on my list. I firmly believe that this was an amazing release this year, and I think it sets a very excellent precedent for what this company is going to be doing in the future. It's the Vanquish VS410 Origin truck. I was able to watch this thing come together over the previous few months, and to see it released in 2018 really got me excited. I'm really into this truck. Everything about it is fantastic. Top of the line Vanquish stuff throughout. There were some very minor issues brought up by a few people in the very early stages of that truck's release, and Vanquish did the very best thing they could have and addressed all those issues, fixed everything, and sent out replacement parts to all the people who were affected. It's an amazing truck overall. It's super well designed. It's basically the best of the best all in one package, and for the price you're getting it at, you are saving a lot of money. Yes, it is expensive. Yes, it's not for everyone because of that. But I definitely think that this is setting a new benchmark for what RC scale trucks are capable of out of the box. That's my top 5 releases for 2018 in the scale RC market. I cannot thank you all enough for watching. It's been a really fantastic year. Like I said at the beginning, if it wasn't for you guys watching, I certainly wouldn't be doing this. I have an awesome time on the channel, I have an awesome time on the forums, and I hope to see you all there. And while I'm thinking about it, and because this video is coming out before Christmas, I will mention that we are doing a massive vendor giveaway on the Scale Builders Guild. It's open to all our supporting VIP and vendor level members. If you're already registered on the site, that's great, thank you. I hope that you're contributing some great content. If you're interested in participating in what I think is a pretty amazing giveaway, you should look into upgrading your account. I'll put a link in the description below so you can see what that's all about. It is awesome. We've got everything from a Range Rover Classic body. We've got a scratch-built Cherokee body by one of our vendors. We've got ESCs. We've got 18th scale RTRs from RC 4-wheel drive. The list goes on. There's all kinds of stuff from our vendors, and it's pretty awesome. This is definitely the biggest giveaway we've ever done on the Scale Builders Guild. And without your support, and without everybody participating in the forum, there's no way we could do this. So my thanks to everyone who's out there supporting the Scale Builders Guild and all of our awesome vendors. Thank you so much for watching. Happy 2018. Merry Christmas, happy holidays. Whatever you're celebrating, have an amazing time and enjoy that time with your family and friends. We'll see you in 2019.